if you're avoiding hard conversations, really this is what it's costing you. If you think about compounding of money, when we save money and it compounds and grows, that same thing happens in relationships. So what I would recommend that you do is rather than letting something fester and build having this problem build up and build up and build up, do three things. The first thing is sit down and get right with yourself. Really write down or think through what the conversation with that person that you want to have is. Take out the emotions. Just what are the facts? Second thing is where do we need to have this conversation? How can I create a safe space so that this person doesn't get put immediately on their guard? So make sure that you have a really safe space for the conversation. And then the third thing is when you get in that safe space, just say it. Don't try to protect them or pad them. We're humans. We're trying to help each other be better. So just say the thing and get into it. So keep it simple and make sure that you're entering the danger. You're going in, you're having these conversations, you're in this paradox of loving the people and making the business move forward at the same time.